Hey, what's up you guys, it's Ray from RHRSwag showing you how to install the Northwest seat covers on our 2021 Ford F-150. We're installing both front and rear seat covers, which includes 2 Northwest seat covers with map pockets, a total of 5 headrests, 1 armrest, 2 rear Northwest seat covers, and S-hooks. The tools needed for this install is nothing. Just bring yourself and it should work out. Let's get started. First, remove your driver's side headrest. Make sure you differentiate between the driver and passenger side seat covers. Pull driver's side backrest cover over seat, making sure seat cover is facing the right way. This is important for obvious reasons. Slide the backrest bib with straps between the backrest and the cushion. Now let's head over to the other side. Pull bib with straps tight, then move towards the front. Attach the Velcro strip at the back of the seat cover to the carpeting on the seat. Next, you're gonna pull driver's side cushion cover over seat cushion. Push the straps between the backrest and the cushion towards the front under the seat. Insert cushion straps into the outer buckles and backrest straps into the inner buckles. Pull straps downwards and tighten. Next, you're going to want to attach the elastic loop at the back end of the cushion cover with S-hooks to the underside of the seat. Reattach your headrest, pull headrest cover over the headrest and secure with Velcro. Now we're off to the passenger side seat cover, and for that you're just going to want to repeat all those steps.
nice chrome inlays on the seat. It really gives a really nice feature in there. I like that. That's nice. Yeah.
Alright, our front seat covers are done. Let's get to the rear.
He's moving. Oh, I went too fast. I'm sorry. I crashed into him.
By the way, make sure to read the inside tags of the seat covers so you don't get them switched up. Slide cushion cover over seat cushion. Push cushion flap in between backrest and cushion. Secure cushion cover with Velcro flap, making sure cover is tight. Also, don't hit your head just like Jim did. Now you're going to want to remove the headrest. Slide backrest cover over backrest, tucking in bib through the cushion and backrest, just like before. Pull bib up, tucking into back of backrest. Securing with Velcro, making sure seat cover is tight. Put your headrest back on and slap on that headrest cover. Now remove two other headrests. Slide cushion cover over cushion, pushing bib through backrest and cushion opening, just like we've been doing this whole time, and secure it with Velcro. Slide backrest cover over backrest, sliding bib in between cushion and backrest opening, secure with Velcro. Put both headrests back on and slide on those headrest covers. Pull armrest down, slide armrest cover on, sliding the bib through the opening and secure with Velcro. Make sure that is tight as well. And just like that, this install is complete. Now let's hear from our main man, Aaron, of what he thinks about these seat covers.
Hey, what's happening, everybody? So we just finished our seat cover install on our Ford and Chevy here today. We actually have the seat covers by Northwest inside of our Ford here. Harvest Moon camouflage. You almost can't even see them because they're camouflage. Just kidding, they're right here. But anyway, a little bit of a sample of what these seat covers actually will look like inside of your truck. And you know, the install wasn't really too terribly bad. The biggest thing, I guess, comparing the two trucks, Silverado, we had to take the rear seat out almost completely to get the seat cover to snug in nice at the behind there. Ford is a little bit different story since the bench seat does flip up. You're able to fold the seat set forward a little bit more, not completely, but at least enough to get your straps and everything in there. And now we're gonna keep our nice leather seats looking good, staying nice and clean over time. And especially when you're out in the wilderness, you know, if you have anything sharp in the pocket or anything, keys, anything like that, it's not gonna poke through that leather. So a little bit more extra security going on here, which is always nice. And it's gonna help you on resale value if a guy ever goes to sell your truck. Interior is gonna be nice, looking good, no holes or anything, no burn marks, anything like that. So we're pretty happy about them. And they look pretty good.
If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and follow us on all of our social media at RHRSwag.